successful businesses you see out there, all the ones making their owners tens of millions of dollars a year, they make up just 5% of all businesses. The reason the rest 95% of the businesses don't make it is because they keep making the same dumb, silly, goofy mistakes over and over again. And then they whine about it and give excuses like a little baby. So today I'm going to tell you the top 7 mistakes businesses make and also how to solve them and be the top 5%. And then mistake number 1 is no clear goals. Let's start with the basics. Imagine you're playing darts blindfolded. That's what running a business without clear goals looks like. Most people start an online business with a vague idea like, I want to make money online. That's not a goal, that's a wish. What happens? You end up chasing shiny objects. One week you're selling t-shirts, next week it's dropshipping dog collars, then you're trying to become the next TikTok influencer. You get nowhere fast. How to fix it? Set smart goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Instead of I want to make money, say I want to make $5,000 per month in profit from my online store within 12 months. Break it down. How many sales per week? What's your average order value? How many website visitors do you need? Track your progress every week. Adjust your strategy if you're off course. No more blindfolds. Know exactly where you're aiming for. Mistake number 2 is picking the wrong niche. Here's another classic. Picking a niche just because it's hot or you saw some YouTuber making bank with it. Newsflash. If you don't care about your niche or if you don't understand the people in it, you're already losing. What happens? You'll hate the work and your marketing will suck and your customers will sense you're just in for the cash. Plus, you'll miss the real pain points and opportunities. How to fix it? Choose a niche you actually care about or have experience in. Do real research. Join forums, read reviews, talk to potential customers, buy your competitors' products. What's good? What's trash? Where's the gap? Find a problem people are desperate to solve and solve it better than anyone else. Remember, the riches are in the niches, but only if you know what you're doing. Mistake number 3 is weak online presence. Let's talk about the digital storefront. If your website looks like it was built in the Stone Age or takes longer to load than a Windows 95 computer, you're done before you start. What happens? People click away faster than you can say bounce rate. You lose trust, you lose sales, and Google buries you on page 10. How to fix it? Invest in a clean, fast, mobile-friendly website. Use high-quality images, clear copy, and easy navigation. Check your site speed. If it takes more than 3 seconds to load, fix it. Set up analytics so you know what's working and what's not. Your website is your first impression. Make it count. Mistake number 4 is ignoring customer experience. Here's a secret. Your product is only half the battle. The other half, how you treat your customers. Ignore them and they'll ignore you right back. What happens? Bad reviews, angry emails, abandoned carts, and a reputation that tanks faster than a lead balloon. How to fix it? Make your checkout process smooth and simple. Respond to customer inquiries quickly, ideally within 24 hours. Offer easy returns and clear policies. Follow up after the sale. Ask for feedback. Thank your customers. Go the extra mile. Deliver more than you promise. That's how you turn one-time buyers into lifelong fans. And mistake number 5 is bad marketing. Most people treat marketing like an afterthought. They post random memes on Instagram, run a few Facebook ads, and hope for the best. That's not marketing. That's wishful thinking. What happens? No one knows you exist. Your traffic is a trickle. Your sales non-existent. So build a real brand. Create valuable content that helps your audience. Blog posts, videos, podcasts. Use email marketing to build relationships and drive repeat sales. Run targeted ads but track your ROI. Don't just throw money at the wall. Be consistent. Show up every day, even when it feels like no one's watching. Marketing isn't magic, it's a muscle. The more you work it, the stronger it gets. And mistake number 6 is non-differentiating. Why should anyone buy from you when you're invisible? You get lost in the noise. Competing on price is a race to the bottom, and the bottom sucks. How to fix it? Find a unique selling proposition. What makes you different? Maybe it's your story, your customer service, your product features, or your community. Tell your story everywhere. On your site, in your emails, on social media. Build a brand people remember. The goal isn't to be liked by everyone, it's to be loved by a few. And mistake number 7 is quitting too soon. Most people quit way too early. They expect instant results, and when they don't get them, they throw in the towel. What happens? You never give yourself a chance to win. You become another statistic. Commit to the long game. Success takes time, sometimes years. Expect setbacks. Learn from them. Adjust but don't quit. Stay consistent. Show up every day, even when it's hard. Every overnight success was years in the making. So, bonus. Here's the bonus. Alright, you made it this far. So, here's a secret sauce that helps separates the 5% from the 95%. Relentless education. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need $1 million idea. You just need to outwork, outlearn, and outlast everyone else. Keep learning. Read books, watch videos, take courses. Build your network. Connect with other entrepreneurs. Test, tweak, and improve every single day. If you are willing to do what most people won't, you'll get what most people never will. Let's recap. Set clear, specific goals. Pick the right niche and know it inside out. Build a killer online presence. Obsess over your customers. Market like your business depends on it, because it does. Stand out from the crowd and never ever quit. If you do these things, you won't just survive, you will thrive. The 5% club is waiting. So, the question is, will you join it? That's it for this video. Work hard, live well, peace.